Dense seabed slurry carries silica-rich sand mixed with clay, crushed shell residue, dissolved salt water, and heavy mineral sediment in a thick, fast-moving stream. Continuous washing and violent vibration strip loose clay, shell dust, and excess salt water away from the heavier, silica-rich mineral bed. Inside the rotating scrubber drum, repeated tumbling and abrasive contact breaks stubborn clay films away from the silica grain surfaces. Counter-rotating shafts churn the mineral bed aggressively, breaking hidden clay clusters and freeing heavier silica grains. Heavy silica grains settle rapidly, while lighter suspended fines remain mobile and separate through controlled overflow channels. Deep steel buckets lift dense silica upward in measured loads, while enclosed transfer keeps dust and product flow controlled. Magnetic attraction pulls dark iron-bearing particles away, leaving a brighter, cleaner, silica-rich mineral stream. Pressure squeezes water from the mineral bed until dense, compact, high-concentration silica solids remain. Heat drives trapped moisture out of the dense mineral mass until loose, dry, bright silica granules remain. Controlled chemical washing dissolves thin oxide coatings and trace stubborn contamination still clinging to silica grain surfaces. Neutralization and deep rinsing remove dissolved chemical residue, leaving only extremely clean, concentrated silica mineral feed. High compression removes remaining free liquid and packs ultra-clean silica particles into dense, bright mineral cake form.
High compression removes remaining free liquid and packs ultra-clean silica particles into dense, bright mineral cake form.
Gas release and surface skimming remove instability from the molten glass body until the liquid becomes smoother and optically cleaner.
Inside the feeder bowl, temperature and flow remain tightly controlled so the molten optical glass stays uniform before forming.
A controlled molten stream stretches into a thick glass column, while cooling gas begins firming the outer surface into shape.
Careful cooling firms the outer glass surface, while the inner core remains warm enough to prevent sudden stress cracks. Slow thermal equalization removes internal tension from the glass body, producing a more stable and uniform optical rod. The finished optical preform is positioned with precise alignment, so controlled heating can begin without distortion. Controlled pulling stretches the softened glass tip into a narrow, transparent strand, while alignment remains perfectly centered. Ultraviolet curing instantly hardens the protective coating layer, sealing the delicate glass surface beneath a smooth, clear shield.
even winding distribution and constant line tension protect the ultra-thin optical fiber from stress concentration during reel buildup.
Light transmission testing confirms whether the glass core carries optical signals with extremely low loss and stable clarity. Microscopic surface cleaning removes loose contamination, so the protective coating remains perfectly clean before final reel collection.
Multiple certified fibers are synchronized under equal tension, so each delicate line reaches bundle assembly in perfectly matched condition. Ultraviolet curing locks thin identification layers permanently onto each fiber without disturbing the delicate optical glass core beneath.
Soft protective gel fills the internal spaces around grouped fibers, cushioning each delicate strand while preserving exact alignment.
Centering guides hold the delicate gel-filled optical core exactly on that axis, so outer protection can form evenly around it. Continuous diameter and roundness scanning ensures the protective tube remains perfectly centered and uniformly shaped around the optical core. Balanced winding keeps the cylindrical loose tube perfectly round and prevents internal fiber disturbance during reel buildup. Exact spacing between loose tube units keeps the future cable core balanced, round, and mechanically stable. Absorbent wrap forms a continuous moisture barrier layer around the cable core while preserving round balanced geometry.
Inspection confirms the armored structure is uniform, sealed, and mechanically stable before the final outer jacket is added. Drying and light polishing produce a clean, uniform outer sheath surface that protects the cable and improves handling durability. Accurate meter marking makes every section of finished cable traceable during installation, testing, and field maintenance. Each finished production drum is tracked, identified, and staged for shipment, with its full manufacturing data linked to the reel. Controlled bend radius and smooth roller support protect the armored cable from crushing stress during field installation.
The protected inner loose tubes now reveal the real optical carrying pathways hidden inside the cable structure.
At this stage, microscopic glass cores are aligned precisely so light can pass across the joint with minimal signal loss.
The protected transmission fibers are now prepared for direct connection into live communication equipment.
Inside the glass core, light pulses now carry enormous amounts of information across long distances at incredible speed.
Can you send that large file over to marketing?
Already done. It only took a second with the new connection.
From underground cable to home connection, the light traveling inside optical fiber becomes the internet people use every day.